नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः। राम राम राम। सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं व्याहरामि। I welcome you all to this class number 4 of Sri Shankara Digvijaya Sara. Again, as usual, let us do our salutations to the Guru Parampara and the Grantha Karthas, and then let us start today's class. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guro आपादमौलि पर्यन्तं गुरूणामाकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नाः प्रणश्यन्ति सिद्ध्यन्ति च मनोरथाः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा। शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये। Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please check if anyone is unable to hear, please try to log out and log in. Okay, let us continue. So from today's class, let us directly start with learning the new shlokas. However, you will be able to access the previous class shlokas, the recordings, the slides and the audio, and you can practice it. So let us start this class. Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Please repeat after me. Just a second. Okay. I will read out the words in this shloka. In the previous class, we had learned till 13th shloka number 13. So let us start with shloka number 14 of this grantha. Yeah. Prithvi, please be in mute. When I ask you to repeat, then you can unmute yourself. The words in the shloka are Kamala Nilayaha Kalanidhehe Vimalakhyat Ajanishta Bhusurat Bhuvi Padmapadam Vadanti Yam Savipadyena Vivadinam Yashaha. These are the words in this shloka. Hope you are all able to see my screen. If not, there could be some problem with respect to the internet connectivity at your end maybe. So I have presented my screen and right now I am displaying shloka number 14. So Prithvi, please repeat after me.
Yes.
Kamala Nilayaha
Kamalanilayah. Kamalanilayah.
Kalanidhehe
Kalanidhehe. Kalanidhehe.
Vimalakhyadajanishta
विमलाख्यादजनिष्ट विमलाख्यादजनिष्ट
भूसुरात्
भूसुरात् भूसुरात्
भुवि पद्मपदम्
भुवि पद्मपदम् भुवि पद्मपदम्
वदन्ति यं
वदन्ति यम्
सविपद्येन
सविपद्येन
विवादिना यशः
विवादिना यशः
Uttamam. So in this shloka, the 3 points that we'll have to understand while ucharanam or pronunciation is, the first one is Kamala Nilayah Kala Nithehe. So Yaha and Ka. So here Kamala Nilayah Kala Nithehe. That's how we'll have to pronounce it. Padma Padam Vadanti. When we join these two, it will become Padma Padav Vadanti. This Anuswara will take the form of a half V with Chandra Bindu. Basically, and similarly here Vivadinam Yashaha, Vivadinai Yashaha. So that's how the pronunciation will be in this case. So let us keep these three things in mind. And however, I have highlighted the Mahapranas in this shloka. Kamalanilayah Kalanidhehe.
कमलानिलयः कलानिधेः कमलानिलयः कलानिधेः
Vimalakhyadajaniഷ്ടभूसुरात्
विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात् विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात्
I'll repeat this line again. So it is Vimalakhyat Ajanishta. When we join, it becomes Vimalakhyadajanishta Bhusurat.
विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात् विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात्
Bhuvi Padmapadau Vadanti Yam.
भुवि पद्मपदं वदन्ति यम् भुवि पद्मपदं वदन्ति यम्
Savipadyena Vivadina Yashah.
सविपद्येन विवादिना यशः सविपद्येन विवादिना यशः
Uttamam. Now I will tell the half shloka. Kamalanilayah Kalanidhehe Vimalakhyadajanishta Bhusurat.
कमलानिलयः कलानिधेः विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात् कमलानिलयः कलानिधेः विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात्
Bhuvi Padmapadam Vadanti Yam Savipadyena Vivadina Yashah.
भुवि पद्मपदं वदन्ति यम् सविपद्येन विवादिना यशः भुवि पद्मपदं सविपद्येन विवादिना यशः.
Repeat the complete shloka twice slowly.
कमलानिलयः कलानिधेः विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात् भुवि पद्मपदं वदन्ति यम् सविपद्येन विवादिना यशः कमलानिलयः कलानिधेः विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात् भुवि पद्मपदं वदन्ति यम् सविपद्येन विवादिना यशः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Prithvi. Now let us see the meaning of this shloka. Kamala Nilayah Kalanidhehe Vimalakya Dajanishta Bhusurat. Mahalakshmi's Lord Sri Vishnu was born as a son of a Brahmin whose name was Vimala, who was the abode of all knowledge. And on this earth, people called him as Padmapada, and by whom the fame of the opposing schools of thought was destroyed. That is the Saramsha or the Bhavartha of this shloka. Let us go to the next shloka. Mahima. Okay, I will tell the words in this, and then you can unmute yourself and then start reciting after me. The words in this shloka are Pavanaha Apyajani, Pavanopyajani, Prabhakarat, Savanonmilita, Kirti Mandalat. So this whole word is a compound word, so we'll have to tell it together. Savanonmilita Kirti Mandalat. Galahastita Bhedavadyasau. Similarly, this is also a samastapada. Galahastita Bhedavadyasau Kila Hastamalaka Abhidham Adhat. And here also, this is also a samastapada. Hastamalaka Abhidham Adhat. So we'll have to keep note of the Mahapranas in this shloka, and at the end, in the last word, there are 3 Mahapranas, and pronunciation would be a little bit tough unless we focus on it. So while we learn, we will be able to recite it, tell it correctly. Okay. So Mahima, please repeat after me. Pavanopyajani. Mahima, can you repeat? I'm unable to hear you. Can you please check your mic? So with the next shloka. So now I'll ask Prithvi to recite this. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Pavanopyajani.
Pavanopyajani, Pavanopyajani,
Prabhakarat.
Prabhakarat, Prabhakarat,
Savanonmilita.
Savanonmilita, Savanonmilita,
Kirtimandalat.
Kirtimandalat, Kirtimandalat,
Galahastita.
Galahastita, Galahastita,
Bhedavadyasau.
Bhedavadyasau, Bhedavadyasau,
Kila Hastamalaka.
Kilahastamalaka, Kilahastamalaka,
Abhidhamadhat.
Abhidhamathat, Abhidhamathat.
Very good. So when we tell these 2 words together, Pavanopyajani Prabhakarat, since this is a Sanyukta Akshara, we'll have to give a little more stress. We can imagine there is one more half pakara here. So let us keep that in mind and chant this. Pavanopyajani Prabhakarat.
Pavanopyajani Prabhakarat, Pavanopyajani Prabhakarat.
Try to follow the same speed in which I am teaching. Savanonmilita Kirtimandalat.
Savanonmilita Kirtimandalat, Savanonmilita Kirtimandalat,
Galahastita Bhedavadyasau.
गलहस्तितभेदवाद्यसौ गलहस्तितभेदवाद्यसौ
किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात्
किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात् किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात्
उत्तमम्. I will tell again. I will tell the half shloka. पवनोऽप्यजनिप्रभाकरात् सवनोन्मीलितकीर्तिमण्डलात्
पवनोऽप्यजनिप्रभाकरात् सवनोन्मीलितकीर्तिमण्डलात् पवनोऽप्यजनिप्रभाकरात् सवनोन्मीलितकीर्तिमण्डलात्
गलहस्तितभेदवाद्यसौ किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात्
गलहस्तितभेदवाद्यसौ किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात् गलहस्तितभेदवाद्यसौ किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात्
उत्तमम्. Please repeat the shloka twice slowly.
पवनोऽप्यजनिप्रभाकरात् सवनोन्मीलितकीर्तिमण्डलात् गलहस्तितभेदवाद्यसौ किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात् पवनोऽप्यजनिप्रभाकरात् सवनोन्मीलितकीर्तिमण्डलात् गलहस्तितभेदवाद्यसौ किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात्.
Uttamam. Now let us see the meaning of this shloka. So in this shloka, Vidyaranya is describing how the other various devatas are also taking the form on this earth, like in the previous shloka. In this shloka, he says Lord Vayu was born as the son of the great scholar Prabhakara Mishra, whose fame has spread throughout this world for his due performance of his sacrifices. Known by the name Hastamalaka, he vanquished all those that preached the doctrine of dualism, Bhedavada. So dualism basically means the Bhedavada or the other darshanas which were there at that point of time. Let us go to the next shloka. Mahima, please check if you can repeat.
Sir, इदानीं श्रूयते वा?
अधुना श्रूयते. धन्यवादाः.
क्षम्यताम्.
Okay, let us see the words in this shloka. Pavamana dashamshato jani, dashamshatah ajani, dashamshato jani, प्लवमानांचति यदि यद यशोम बुधौ धरणी मथिता विवादिवाक् तरणी येन स तोटकाह्वयः. Simple words and a simple shloka which we'll be able to learn easily. So please repeat after me. Mahima. Pavamanadashamshato jani.
पवमानदशांशतो जनि पवमानदशांशतो जनि
प्लवमानांचति
प्लवमानांचति प्लवमानांचति
यद्यशोम्बुधौ
यद्यशोम्बुधौ यद्यशोम्बुधौ
धरणी मथिता
धरणी मथिता धरणी मथिता
विवादिवाक्
विवादिवाक् विवादिवाक्
तरणीयेन
तरणीयेन तरणीयेन
स तोटकाह्वयः
सतोटकाह्वयः सतोटकाह्वयः
उत्तमम् पवमानदशांशतो जनि
पवमानदशांशतो जनि पवमानदशांशतो जनि
प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशोऽम्बुधौ
प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशोऽम्बुधौ प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशोऽम्बुधौ
Please note, I forgot to this dhau. This is also a Mahaprana. Okay, similar to Dharani Mathita. So please let us keep that in mind while reciting it. So that is one more Mahaprana which is there in this shloka. Okay, let us continue from the third pada. Dharani Mathita Vivadivak.
धरणी मथिता विवादिवाक् धरणी मथिता विवादिवाक्
तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः
तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः
I'll tell the half shloka. पवमानदशांशतो जनि प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशोऽम्बुधौ
पवमानदशांशतो जनि प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशोऽम्बुधौ पवमानदशांशतो जनि प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशोऽम्बुधौ
धरणीमथिता विवादिवाक् तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः
धरणी मथिता विवादिवाक् तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः धरणी मथिता विवादिवाक् तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः
Uttamam. Please repeat the shloka twice slowly.
पवमानदशांशतो जनि प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशोऽम्बुधौ धरणी मथिता विवादिवाक् तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः पवमानदशांशतो जनि प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशाम्बुधौ धरणी मथिता
Come again.
विवादिवाक्
Yashombudhau.
प्लवम्
Tell the second line again.
पवमानदशांशतो जनि प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशाम्बुधौ धरणी मथिता विवादिवाक् तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः
Okay, Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. So let us see the meaning of this shloka. In the same way, Lord Vayu again, by 1/10 of his being or Amsha, Dashamsha, was born as Totakacharya. In the sea of his fame, the whole of this earth is floating, and the preachings of the opponents completely submerged like ships, sinking in his fame, the sea of his fame. That is the meaning of this shloka. Let us go to the next shloka. Vasudhe, can you please repeat after me?
Sir.
Okay, I will tell the words and then you can repeat. Vidhirasa Sureshwaro Giram Nidhiranandagirir Vyajayata. Nidhihi Anandagirihi Vyajayata is the split. Arunaha Samabhut Sanandanaha Varunaha Ajayata Chitsukhahvayaha. So in this, whenever we join Arunaha Samabhut, Arunas samabhut. It will become, so you have to note that Arunaha samabhut, Arunas samabhut. Okay. Okay. Vasudha, I will tell, then you can repeat. Vidhirasa.
Vidhirasa. Vidhirasa.
Sureshwaro giram.
Sureshwaro giram. Sureshwaro giram.
Nidhiranandagirihi.
Nidhiranandagirihi. Nidhiranandagirihi.
Vyajayata.
Vyajayata. Vyajayata.
Arunas samabhut.
Arunah samabhut. Arunah samabhut.
When you join these two words, the visarga which is there will be changed to a sakara. So it will be pronounced this way. Arunas samabhut. Please repeat.
Arunah samabhut. Arunah samabhut.
Sanandanaha.
Sanandanaha. Sanandanaha.
Varuno jayata.
Varuno jayata. Varuno jayata.
Chitsukha
Chitsukha Chitsukha.
Uttamam. I am experiencing some issue with your internet connectivity, I think so, Vasudha. So I will ask Prithvi to repeat after me for the half shloka and the quarter shloka. Prithvi, please unmute yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please repeat after me. Vidhirasa sureshwaro giram.
विधिरास सुरेश्वरो गिराम् विधिरास सुरेश्वरो गिराम्
Nidhiranandagirirvyajayata.
निधिरानन्दगिरिर्व्यजायत निधिरानन्दगिरिर्व्यजायत
Arunas samabhut sanandanah.
अरुणः समभूत् सनन्दनः अरुणः समभूत् सनन्दनः
Varuno jayata chitsukha
वरुणो जायत चित्सुखाह्वयः वरुणो जायत चित्सुखाह्वयः
Uttamam. Vidhirasa sureshwaro giram. Nidhiranandagirirvyajayata.
विधिरास सुरेश्वरो गिराम् निधिरानन्दगिरिर्व्यजायत विधिरास सुरेश्वरो गिराम् निधिरानन्दगिरिर्व्यजायत
Arunas samabhut sanandano. Varuno jayata chitsukha.
अरुणः समभूत् सनन्दनो वरुणो जायत चित्सुखाह्वयः अरुणः समभूत् सनन्दनो वरुणो जायत चित्सुखाह्वयः.
Uttamam. You can repeat the shloka twice now.
विधिराससुरेश्वरो गिरा निधिरानन्दगिरिर्व्यजायत अरुणः समभूत् सनन्दनो वरुणो जायत चित्सुखाह्वयः विधिराससुरेश्वरो गिरा निधिरानन्दगिरिर्व्यजायत अरुणः समभूत् सनन्दनो वरुणो जायत चित्सुखाह्वयः.
Uttamam. Let us see the meaning of this shloka. Lord Brahma was born as Sureshwaracharya, so whose the Purvashrama name is also Mandana Mishra, and sometimes he is also referred to as Vishwarupa. Next, Giram Nidhihi, Lord Brihaspati, took the form of Anandagiri. God Aruna, the charioteer of Surya, took the form as Sanandana, and Varuna as Chitsukhacharya. Let us learn the next shloka now. The words in this shloka are Athavatirnasya, Atha Avatirnasya, Vidhehe Purandhri. When we join, it becomes Vidheh Purandhri. Sabhut, Sa Abhut, Sabhud Yadakyo Bhaya Bharatiti. Yadakya Ubhaya Bharati iti will be the split. Sabhud Yadakyo Bhaya Bharatiti. Saraswati Sa Khalu Vastuvritya Lokopi Tam Vakti Saraswati. So let us learn this now. Mahima, please repeat after me. Athavatirnasya
अथावतीर्णस्य अथावतीर्णस्य
Vidheh Purandhri
विधेः पुरन्ध्री विधेः पुरन्ध्री
Sabhudyadakyo Bhaya Bha. Okay, wait, I'll split it into half. Sabhudyadakya
सा भूद्यदाख्या
Ubhaya Bharatiti
उभयभारतीति उभयभारतीति
Sabhudyadakyo Bhaya Bharatiti
सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारत सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति
Uttamam. Saraswati Sa
सरस्वती सा
Khalu Vastuvritya
खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या
Lokopitam Vakti
लोकोपितां वक्ति
Saraswatiti.
सरस्वतीति
Very good. So there are multiple Mahapranas in this shloka, which have been highlighted already. The other points to note is Vidheh Purandhri. After a Visarga, there is a Pakara, and hence the sound will be Vidheh Purandhri. So that is half, it will be like F sound in English, F in English. So similarly, the other point to note is Tam Vakti. Tam Vakti, it becomes Tam Vakti. So these are the focus points that we'll have to have in this shloka. So let us, I will repeat, please repeat after me again. Athavatirnasya vidheh purandhri.
अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री
Sorry. सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति.
सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति
सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या.
सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या
लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति.
लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति
उत्तमम्. अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति.
अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति
सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति.
सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति
उत्तमम्. Please repeat the shloka twice slowly.
अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति
Uttamam. The meaning of this shloka, let us see the meaning of this shloka. In order to become the wife of Brahma, who is now in the form of Mandana Mishra or Vishwarupa, Saraswati took birth in this world as Ubhaya Bharati. Though Saraswati herself was born as a human being, people called her Saraswati because she was a great scholar. Let us go to the next shloka now. Jagraha Pani Kamalam Himamitra Sunuhu Shri Vishnu Mitra Duhituhu Karapallavena Dheri Mridanga Patahadhyayana Abjaghosaihi. So this whole word is one, these three words is actually a compound word. Bheri Mridanga Patahadhyayanabja Ghoshaihi will be the pronunciation. Dingmandale Suparimurchati Divyakale. These are the words in this. Prithvi, please repeat after me. Jagraha Pani Kamalam.
Jagraha Pani Kamalam. Jagraha Pani Kamalam.
Himamitra Sunuhu.
Himamitra Sunuhu. Himamitra Sunuhu.
Shri Vishnu Mitra Duhituhu.
Shri Vishnu Mitra Duhituhu. Shri Vishnu Mitra Duhituhu.
Karapallavena.
Karapallavena. Karapallavena.
भेरी मृदंग
भेरी मृदंग भेरी मृदंग
पटहाध्ययन
पटहाध्ययन पटहाध्ययन
अब्जघोषैः
अब्जघोषैः अब्जघोषैः
दिङ्मण्डले
दिङ्मण्डले दिङ्मण्डले
सुपरिमूर्च्छति
सुपरिमूर्च्छति सुपरिमूर्च्छति
दिव्यकाले
दिव्यकाले दिव्यकाले
जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः
जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः
श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन
श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन
So please note, so here it is duhituhu karapallavena, so the pronunciation will be duhituh karapallavena. So there will be a half hakara, that is the sound which we'll have to pronounce. Bheri mridanga patahadhyayana
भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययन भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययन
abjaghoshaih
अब्जघोषैः अब्जघोषैः
भेरी मृदंग patahadhyayanabjaghoshaih
भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययनाब्जघोषैः भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययनाब्जघोषैः
दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले
दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले
जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन
जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन
भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययनाब्जघोषैः दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले
भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययनाब्जघोषैः दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययनाब्जघोषैः दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले
उत्तमम्. Please repeat the shloka twice.
जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययनाब्जघोषैः दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययनाब्जघोषैः दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Prithvi. Now let us see the meaning of this shloka. When Himamitra's son, that is Vishwarupa Mandana Mishra, took the lotus hand of Vishnumitra's daughter, who was Saraswati, in their marriage, the sound of the drums, the musical instruments, the conch, the Abja Ghosha, and the chanting of the Vedas, Adhyayana. So these all filled the air. So they are explaining about the marriage of Mandana Mishra and Ubhaya Bharati and how the celebrations were in this shloka. Let us go to the next shloka. Mahima. The words in this shloka, Atha Shivaha Manujaha Nijamayaya, Atha Shivo Manujo Nijamayaya, Dvija Grihe, Dvijamodam Upavahan, Dvijamodam Upavahan, Prathamahayana Eva Samagrahit, Sakala Varnam Asau Nijabhashikam. So this is also a shloka which has simple words and can be learnt easily. Mahima, please repeat after me. Atha Shivo Manujaha.
Atha Shivo Manujaha. Atha Shivo Manujaha.
Nijamayaya.
Nijamayaya. Nijamayaya.
Dvijagrihe.
Dvijagrihe. Dvijagrihe.
Dvijamodamupavahan.
Dvijamodamupavahan. Dvijamodamupavahan.
Prathamahayana eva.
Prathamahayana eva. Prathamahayana eva.
Samagrahit.
Samagrahit. Samagrahit.
Sakalavarnamasau.
Sakalavarnamasau. Sakalavarnamasau.
Nijabhashikam.
Nijabhashikam. Nijabhashikam.
Pronouncing shakara, Nijabhashikam. So you don't have to put so much of effort there. Like shakara will be the murdhanya shakara, similar to ta, tha, da, dha, na. The tongue, wherever it touches for reciting this, in the same place also we will have to use shakara. Shra. So keeping that in mind, we can pronounce it. So if the pitch is very low for you, you can actually tell in a little higher pitch. So that you will be much more comfortable. Atha Shivo Manujo Nijamaya.
Atha Shivo Manujo Nijamaya. Atha Shivo Manujo Nijamaya.
Dvijagrihe Dvijamodamupavahan.
Dvijagrihe Dvijamodamupavahan. Dvijagrihe Dvijamodamupavahan.
Prathamahayana eva samagrahit.
Prathamahayana eva samagrahit. Prathamahayana eva samagrahit.
Sakalavarnamasau nijabhashikam.
Sakalavarnamasau nijabhashikam. Sakalavarnamasau nijabhashikam.
Atha Shivo Manujo Nijamayaya. Dvijagrihe Dvijamodamupavahan.
Atha Shivo Manujo Nijamaya. Dvijagrihe Dvijamodamupavahan. Atha Shivo Manujo Nijamaya. Dvijagrihe Dvijamodamupavahan.
Prathamahayana eva samagrahit. सकलवर्णमसौ निजभाषिकाम्
प्रथमहायन एव समग्रहीत सकलवर्णमसौ निजभाषिकाम् प्रथमहायन एव समग्रहीत सकलवर्णमसौ निजभाषिकाम्
उत्तमम्. Please repeat the shloka twice slowly.
अथ शिवो मनुजो निजमायया द्विजगृहे द्विजमोदमुपावहन् प्रथमहायन एव समग्रहीत सकलवर्णमसौ निजभाषिकाम् अथ शिवो मनुजो निजमायया द्विजगृहे द्विजमोदमुपावहन् प्रथमहायन एव समग्रहीत सकलवर्णमसौ निजभाषिकाम्
Uttamam. Dhanyavada Mahima. So far in the previous shlokas, we saw how the different devatas also took birth in this earth to complement the avatara of Shankara. And in this shloka, or from this shloka onwards, we see how Shankara in the avatar of Shankaracharya, how he learnt as a boy and so on. If you see till the previous shloka, the original sarga or the shloka which was chosen from the original grantha was from the third sarga, which was Tattat Devata Avatara. And from here onwards, in this sarga, basically we will be seeing Shankara's Leelas as a Balaka and how he grows and so on. The meaning of this shloka is Lord Shiva, through his Maya, having taken the form of the boy Shankara, lived in the house of Shiva Guru, giving pleasure to by his playfulness. He learnt all the alphabets of his mother tongue when he was just 1 year old. Nijabhashikam Prathamahayane Eva. So I think we can learn one more shloka today, and then we will revise the shlokas that we have learned. Prithvi, words in this are Dvisama Eva Shishuhu Likhitaksharam Gaditum Akshamata Aksharavit Sudhihi. Gaditum Akshamata Aksharavit Sudhihi. Atha Saha Kavya Purana Mupashrinot Swayam Avait Kimapi Shravanam Vina. So the Mahaprana Aksharas are already highlighted. So few things that we'll have to keep in mind are again Shravanam and Vina. When we tell, it will become Shravanam Vina. Okay, that is one thing which we'll have to keep in mind. Dvisama eva
Dvisama eva
Shishurlikhitaksharam
Shishurlikhitaksharam
Gaditumakshamata
Gaditumakshamata
Repeat slowly. Aksharavit Sudhihi
Aksharavitsudhihi
Athasa Kavya Puranam
Athasa Kavya Puranam
Upashrinot
Upashrinot
Swayamavait Kimapi
Swayamavait kimapi
Shravanam Vina
श्रवणौ विना
द्विसम एव शिशुर्लिखिताक्षरम्
द्विसम एव शिशुर्लिखिताक्षरम् द्विसम एव शिशुर्लिखिताक्षरम्
गदितुमक्षमताक्षरवित्सुधीः
गदितुमक्षमताक्षरवित्सुधीः गदितुमक्षमताक्षरवित्सुधीः
अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत्
अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत् अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत्
स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणं विना
स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणौ विना स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणौ विना
One more thing to note here is kimapi shravanam. When we join or when we tell it together, the stress need to be put on this letter. Swayamavait kimapi shravanam vina. That's how we'll have to pronounce it. Dvisama eva shishurlikhitaksharam gaditumakshamataksharavidsudhihi.
द्विसम एव शिशुर्लिखिताक्षरम् गदितुमक्षमताक्षरवित्सुधीः द्विसम एव शिशुर्लिखिताक्षरम् गदितुमक्षमताक्षरवित्सुधीः
अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत् स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणं विना
अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत् स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणौ विना अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत् स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणौ विना
उत्तमम्. Please repeat the shloka twice slowly.
द्विसम एव शिशुर्लिखिताक्षरम् गदितुमक्षमताक्षरवित्सुधीः अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत् स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणौ विना द्विसम एव शिशुर्लिखिताक्षरम् गदितुमक्षमताक्षरवित्सुधीः अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत् स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणौ विना
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Let us see the meaning of this shloka. The child, who was a learned scholar, taken birth, began to read the alphabets when he was only 2 years of age. Dvisame eva. He then heard the kavyas and puranas. Kavya Puranam Upashrinot. Even without hearing to the lectures or the upanyasas, etc., he began to know some of the subjects. So Aksharavit means one who knows the indestructible supreme soul. Sudhihi means he by whose kindness a good knowledge is created in another. Sudhihi. This refers to the world teacher or the Jagat Guru, Sri Shankaracharya. So let us stop learning the shlokas at this stage for today's class, and I will repeat all the shlokas whatever we have learned today, and then we will I will give chance to the students to tell the shlokas. Right now I am lowering the hands of everyone, so whoever wishes to chant the shlokas, please raise your hands and then I will give the chance. Now I will repeat the shlokas that we have learned today. कमलानिलयः कलानिधेः विमलाख्यादजनिष्टभूसुरात् भुवि पद्मपदं वदन्ति यं सविपद्येन विवादिना यशः पर्पणोऽप्यजनिप्रभाकरात् सवनोन्मीलितकीर्तिमण्डलात् गलहस्तितभेदवाद्यसौ किल हस्तामलकाभिधामधात् पवमानदशांशतो जनि प्लवमानाञ्चति यद्यशोऽम्बुधौ धरणीमथिता विवादिवाक् तरणीयेन सतोटकाह्वयः विधिराससुरेश्वरो गिरां निधिरानन्दगिरिर्व्यजायत अरुणः समभूत्सनन्दनः वरुणो जायत चित्सुखाह्वयः अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति सरस्वती सा खलु वस्तुवृत्त्या लोकोपितां वक्ति सरस्वतीति जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन भेरी मृदङ्गपटहाध्ययनाब्जघोषैः दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले अथ शिवो मनुजो निजमायया द्विजगृहे द्विजमोदमुपावहन् प्रथमहायन एव समग्रहीत् सकलवर्णमसौ निजभाषिकाम् द्विसम एव शिशुर्लिखिताक्षरं गदितुमक्षमताक्षरवित्सुधीः अथ स काव्यपुराणमुपाशृणोत् स्वयमवैत् किमपि श्रवणं विना. Okay, now I will see who all have raised their hands. So again, as I said, like last time, whoever had got the chance last time, whoever name I remember, I will give them the chance at last. So those who didn't get the chance, I am giving them. Vihan, can you please unmute yourself and speak? Yeah. So we will tell from the shloka which we started today. So 14th shloka.
Ram sir.
Ram. Can you see the shloka? Shloka number 14.
Yes sir.
Astu.
Sir,
Uttamam.
aham pragunasmi.
Bhavatu.
कमलानिलयः कलानिधेः विमलाख्यातजनिष्टभूसुरात् भुवि पद्मपदं वदन्ति यं सविपद्येन विवादिनां यशः.
Uttamam. So only thing is vivadina yashaha when we join it together, and padmapadam vadanti, these 2 points. Apart from that, you recited it well. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Next, Sobin Saini. Can you please tell 15th shloka?
पवनो अपयानि प्रभक्करात् सबनोन्मीलितकीर्तिमण्डलाकाल गलहिस्थित.
Okay. Probably you will have to practice a bit more. Maybe if you can listen to the recordings of this class, it will be easier for you to pronounce. So the best way is to keep listening to the shlokas, and then once you get the words familiar, it will be much easier to pronounce. So probably I will give chance to another student who will be able to recite this. So you may please practice it listening to this shloka. Sobin, thank you. Sita Lakshmi Ammal, can you please tell the shloka?
Yeah. पवनोऽप्यजनि प्रभाकरात् सवनोन्मीलितकीर्तिमण्डलात् गलहस्तिदभेदवाद्यसौ किल हस्तामलकाभिधामदात्.
Uttama, very good. So only thing which I noticed is Galahastita, that Takara was a little bit sounding like Dakara, Galahastida. So that is the
Okay.
only, probably because of the regional influence. But apart from
Okay.
that, the pronunciation was good. Dhanyavada. Huh? So next, Mohana Sundar Rajan.
राम राम
Ram Ram Ram.
पवमानदशांस्ततो जनी प्लवमानचति यद्यसोऽम्बुदहो धरणीमतितविवादिवक तरणीयेन सतोऽथकवाः. Shall I repeat,
Okay,
sir?
so probably you will also have to, I think it would be better if you can listen for a couple of more times and then recite this.
Once more I will tell, sir.
Okay, sure. Yeah, sure. I will tell the corrections and then you can repeat it. So Pavamana Dashamshato Jani and then Plavamananchati. That is where you'll have to make note. And Yashom Budhau. Okay. Okay, now you can repeat.
Yeah. पवमानदशांशतो जनी प्लवमानचति यद्यसोऽम्बुधौ धरणीमतिथा विवादिवाक तरणीयेन सतोटकाव्यः.
Totakahvayah.
तोटकाह्वयः. Sorry, sir. तोटकाह्वयः. Ram Ram.
Okay, very good, very good. Ram Ram Ram. Dhanyavada. Okay. Next, Shesha NR. You may recite 17th shloka.
Ramesh?
Yeah, please recite.
Namaskara.
Namaste.
विधिराससुरेश्वरो गिरां निधिरानन्दगिरिर्व्यजायत अरुणः समभूत्सनन्दनः वरुणो जायत चित्सुकाह्वयः.
Very nice, Uttamam. Only thing that we to note is the Mahapranas. Vidhi Rasa, Nidhi, Samabhut, and Chitsukha. Apart from that, the pronunciation was very good. Aruna Samabhut, you told it perfectly well. Okay, Dhanyavadaha. So just one more point to note in this shloka, which I probably missed to tell then, was if you want to join these two padas, we can say it as Samabhut Sanandano Varuno Jayata Chitsukha Hvayaha, or we can also say Sanandanaha, give a pause and then say Varuno Jayata Chitsukha Hvayaha. Both are correct. There is no mistake or anything in writing it as Nandano or Nandanaha. Both are equivalent. While telling, if you are telling it together, it becomes Nandano. That's the only thing. Okay. Next, Nilima Nanduri. Can you please tell 18th shloka?
Namaskaram.
Sorry?
Namaskaram Mahodaya. Mama nama Varuna.
Namaste. Ram Ram Ram. Kripaya vadatu.
अथावतीर्णस्य विधेः पुरन्ध्री सा भूद्यदाख्यो भयभारतीति सरस्वती सा खलु वत्सुवृत्त्या लोकोऽपि तां वक्ति सरस्वतीति.
उत्तमं. सम्यक् उक्तं. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Yeah. Just a second. Next is Mohana Walambe. I have unmuted you. Can you please tell the 19th shloka?
जग्राहपाणिकमलं हिममित्रसूनुः श्रीविष्णुमित्रदुहितुः करपल्लवेन भेरी मृदङ्गपटहात्ययनाघोषै दिङ्मण्डले सुपरिमूर्च्छति दिव्यकाले.
Okay, basically probably the ghoshaihi, I couldn't hear the complete visarga.
I can repeat it, Mahoday. Mahoday, I can repeat it if you give me permission.
Sure. Yeah.
Patahadyayanabjaghoshaihi. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect. So one
more
point I would like to tell.
Sorry.
Okay, sure. No problem. Okay, so similar to the previous shloka where we saw, if you want to join these two lines, or basically if we are telling it together, we can also tell this the last two padas in this way. Bheri mridanga patahadhyayana. So ghoshair dingmandale also is a correct pronunciation when we tell it together. Okay, very good. Otherwise the pronunciation was very good. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, next Nagashri Ganesh. I have unmuted you. Can you please tell the 20th shloka?
Namaste Mahodaya. Ram.
Namaste. Ram.
अथ शिवो मनुजो निजमायया द्विजगृहे द्विजमोदमुपावहन् प्रथमहायन एव समग्रहीत सकलवर्णमसौ निजभाषिकाम्.
Uttamam, very good. So only thing is dvijagrihe, we shouldn't stress for gr. Okay, it is a swarakshara only, grihe. So dvijagrihe, it should be quite normal. There is no stress on gr. Okay, apart from that the pronunciation was good. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Okay, next for the last shloka I will unmute Prachi ji. Prachi, can you please unmute yourself and speak? Okay.
Ram sir.
Ram.
Ram sir.
Yes, you can tell this.
Audible, no?
Yes, it is audible.
Visama eva shishurlikitaksharam gaditum kshamatakshara vitsudhihi athasa kavya puranamupashunot swayam vaimapi shravano vina.
Swayam, can you repeat the last pada?
Swayam vaikimapi shravano vina.
Okay, very good. So you pronounced it well. So dhanyavadaha.
Okay.
So I think we are running out of time, and probably we can pause at this stage. So there are a few questions where some of them have asked, like, where do we get the source of this bhavartha? Like, where can we actually see the bhavartha and other things? And also they have asked if you can also recite the previous class shlokas for the practice. Okay, so first is I will also give you the information about where we can actually find the meanings of this shloka. I had also shared this in one of the classes. There is a book which is also available, which is published by Ramakrishna Ashram, and then which has the English translation of Shankara Digvijaya that can be made use of. Recently, with the help of Sriranga digital software technology, and by the grace of Jagadguru, recently in the last week they have released one ebook which is available on Google Play by the name Madhaviya Shankara Digvijaya Sara, which is available freely, and anyone can make use of this. If you have a smartphone, you will be able to download this onto it, and you can open it, and this will have the shloka and the padacheda, anvaya, and what is the chandas of that particular shloka, and the saralartha in English. This is available currently on Google Play. And also this can be used on iPhone or iOS as well, because it's a part of Google Play Books app. So this is one source from where I do collect the meanings or the bhavartha for the shlokas. Another one of the attendees of our class, Sri Jaladhar Vyas Mahodaya, has started writing the English meaning for these shlokas on one of the forums, which is the Advaita list or Advaita forum. And he has written in part wise, like 10 shlokas or 15 shlokas and so on, and which is also available online. If you can just search for Advaita list.advaita vedanta.org, or you can just type this Advaita L stands for list, and Shankara Digvijaya on Google, and you will be able to access this page, and you can navigate from there to the next shlokas. This is the other source which I will also refer sometimes. Than these, the most important source which I am referring is the Bhavartha or the commentary written in Kannada by Mahamahopadhyaya Vidwan Ranganath Sharma. So I am actually referring to that work and then translating it, and also the Satika Shankara Digvijaya, which is available in Sanskrit on archive.org. So these are the sources from where I am picking the Bhavarthas. Hope you're all able to follow the class, and if in case you have any questions or any doubts, so please feel free to write an email to me and give feedback about whether the pace of the class is going on well, if you want it to be made even a little slower, etc., so that I will incorporate those and we will have the classes, further classes based on that, so that everyone will be benefited through this. So with that, I will say Bhavashankara Deshika Me Sharanam, Dhanyavadaha, Ram 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 Sarvebhyaha. So as you all know, this is the email address. So you may please feel free to write any email, and the course work or the course material will be uploaded onto the portal, and you will be able to access it from sanskritfromhome.in. So I'll be uploading this within the next 1 or 2 days. So you should be able to access that by Saturday. With that, I will end today's webinar. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyaha. Ram Ram Ram.